here's my little Klein tool knife. As you can see, it is pretty dirty. It's been sitting in the back in the old room where I used to do all my videos and stuff. So, I'm gonna go ahead and try and clean it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the time lapse. Boiled linseed oil. I've had this for quite some time now, and I've used it on my paranormal, I believe, with the stabilized wood, and it worked out fine. So, and I also love the way this stuff smells, in my opinion. Alright, let's see. Go ahead. I think I got a little bit too much on here, but like this. Another cut its toilet paper. I'm just gonna wipe the excess off. So I'm gonna see if I can't show you a little comparison. So here's the side that I put the linseed oil on, and then here is the other side. You see how dull that is. The knife is stretched up. I did use it quite a bit when I carried it, so yeah. Great little knife. Holds a decent edge. Made by Klein tools, so can't really go wrong there. Alright. Now, go ahead and wipe the excess away. This side again. I could actually probably use a little bit more because that wood was fairly dry. Let's see. This will just help keep it protected and hydrated and whatnot, so keep it looking nice. And just, again, like I said, protect it. Alright. Let me go ahead and take the dry one and wipe the excess off. Oh yeah. I could probably get this knife body to shine a little bit if I had like sandpaper, really fine sandpaper to get all the scratches out, but what is the point? Okay, yeah, that looks a lot better. Definitely. It looks a lot deeper and, or much more, darker and, yeah. Alright, let me go ahead and just get one final wipe down. Okay. Functions smoothly. Although this log here could use a little wiping. Alright. There we go. Yeah, we're good to go. Trusty little knife, man. Yeah, it's still sharp too. Let's see if I can show you this. Crazy. I see why I like this knife so much. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace.